Hello everyone. So this is one of the very beautiful topic I have brought for you all. As most of the time I used to hear from the students, from the parent side, my child memory is very dull and I don't have that memory to concentrate. My mind is not so sharp. So I thought, why can't I share some techniques which should be done at your home, not only for the students, for any one of us we should do. First of all, let me to just talk a little bit practically today. If you people, any one of us, we used to say I'm not getting interest, my memory is very dull, it's not sharp and all. But the same person who is unable to study for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but you will be seeing and you will be finding that is watching the TV for 6 hours, 3 hours. Very happily we will be sitting in the theater, we will watch that movie for 3 hours. How then? So we need to understand there is not in a such a way we should say that my memory is dull. I don't have sharp mind and sharp memory. It should not be told in a such a way. What we need to understand, we have two types of memory. One is trained memory and the second one is untrained memory. So what we need to do here for focusing, for getting something in our life, we need to train our memory. So how to do that? Long back only I have shared one of the technique actually that is called affirmation. What do you mean by affirmation? Affirmation means whatever you think that you need in your life, you want in your life, just start thinking about that. Okay, so you are talking to yourself, you want that law of attraction should be grabbed by you. So I'll just show you all. Just suppose this is me. Every day I used to write. You could just see that. Every day I will be writing. This is my goal, which I feel that I need these things in my life. So just make a note of that. You all have to write every day. Whatever you want, please write in the present tense. Like supposed to be, I'm an intelligent boy. I'm a very good boy. I love my parents. Everyone loves me. I'm topper of the school. I'm right now doctor. In a such a way, you need to just imagine your goal and just attract those goals and just write down. And these things early morning before going to the bed, you should do. You will find lot of changes is happening in your mind because you are thinking, you are imagining all those things. So first technique is affirmation. You need to talk to yourself, imagine those things which you want from your life. But remember one thing, it should be in positive way only. The second technique is what? Number counting. I'm not talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm talking backward number counting. Like 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95. 100 to 1, you just start counting. Same way you have to start doing when you are going for the walk. Do backward walking also. What happened that time also, our mind actually work a lot, and this kind of things are known as an exercise of the mind. Okay, the third thing, I think previously also I told, do some mind exercise. What kind of mind exercise we should do? Like play Sudoku, play some chess, such kind of IQ related game you should play. So anyhow, you all are at home. So ask your parents, ask with anyone you can play such kind of games. Okay, but you have to do it. Then the fourth thing. Fourth is very important, which I feel many times I have told to you all, do meditation. Meditation means obviously you need to sit in one place, calm yourself and just imagine something in positivity. Okay, and followed by pranayam. And two pranayam, really I wanted to tell to you all, please do it. One is Bhastrika. I think what you need to do, close your eyes and close your ears. Then after that you need to just make some sound like a Brahma. Okay, like this way. You can see this pranayam even in YouTube, and you can ask someone who can guide you how to do the pranayam. Okay, And the second one is Alom Vilom. That is one of the very good pranayam which we have to do every day. At least try to do 3 to 4 times. You need to close one nostril and inhale from the other one like this way. Close this one, hold for a few seconds, then you have to exhale from this. Now from this nostril only you have to inhale again. Now close it, hold for a few seconds, then after that you have to exhale from the another nostril. Like this type you have to do at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, then what is next? Now the fifth one, which is very important, drink lot of water. Our body, our mind need lot of water. So please, as much as possible, you try to avoid food, no problem, but never ever try to avoid minimum 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. Okay, so you should drink. Then focus on any object. What do I mean with that? Okay, this is very wonderful technique which I have done since my childhood days, and many of the people used to say actually. What you have to do, just take any object. Suppose this is a pen, so you need to place in one place, and at least for 3 to 5 minutes you should only focus in this pen only. Whether pen, whether any notebook, whether any plant, whatever you think that which is there, just sit there and only you have to think and you have to imagine about that object only. Nothing, any useless thought should not come that time. You just see how the wonderful changes will happen and how your memory will become and concentration level will be increased day by day. Okay, then after that, what is? As first I started with affirmation. Affirmation can't be happen if you're not writing. So I really want that you all should maintain a diary. Whatever you think that what you need to do, just start writing, paste everywhere, wherever you are finding the place, just paste it. Because writing, what happens, if you write, you are giving this instruction to your mind, and place it wherever you are finding the place, just place it. That is very important. And the very important thing after that, what is that? Argument. Do some argument with your mind. So might be you are thinking, what kind of argument? Suppose you wanted to watch the movie right now, you wanted to watch something, just say no to your brain. What is happening so far? We are going as our mind is saying. Start doing something which you need to give the instruction to your mind. No, you have to do like this way. So what will happen? Slowly, you will be in the position to control your mind. That is very important actually, because what happens, we used to get so many thousand, more than 20,000 some useless thoughts we used to get actually. That is not important. But why it's happening? Because we are unable to control our mind. So understand these things, we have to control our mind. Now what is the next thing? That is very important, and that is do exercise daily. If you are not doing exercise daily, what is happening? In your body there is no proper blood flow is happening. So without exercise we can't do all such kind of things. So you have to make a habit of every day at least 20 to 20 minutes of exercise you have to follow in your life. Okay, so these are the techniques. If you do, at least start doing for the 21 days, and after that what will happen? It will become a habit for you, and you just see, you also will say that yes. And this kind of things you can share to the other also. We should not say our memory is dull. I don't have memory, I am not able to concentrate, because these are the proven techniques which many people are doing, and start implementing your life. Once again, let me to repeat. One is affirmation. Then after that I have told backward number counting. Then the third one is play Sudoku, chess, such kind of IQ related game. Then the fourth one is pranayam, meditation. Then fifth one I told what? Drink a lot of water. Then after that I told focus on any object and concentrate there. Okay, then after that I said that maintain a diary and write what you need in your life. Okay, then after that, argument technique. Always reject some things if your mind is bringing to you something is useless. Okay, then the very important thing which I told in last, exercise. Do exercise daily. Hope these are the things, if you do, surely you will achieve your goal and your mind will become very sharp.